Let's do
Uh,
now equation.
share screen corner.
Share screen still now I did not do share screen. So first let me do share screen, then I will start it. Share screen, start sharing. So let us do now this equation of a line. See here I have written few formula. Let me explain that. This is the coordinate axis. This is x axis, that is x o x dash, and this is y o y dash. You know this thing, o y dash. Now matter is that equation of x axis is y equal to 0. X axis is this axis, so its equation is y equal to 0, and equation of y axis is x equal to 0. That means this axis equation is x equal to 0. You have to memorize this thing. Then equation parallel to x axis y equal to b. Parallel to x axis means this is x axis. Its parallel line is this one. It will be x equal to, sorry, y equal to b. Another line also maybe, let's say line is here. This is also parallel to x axis. So this is also, we have to consider y equal to b. Now depending upon the value of b, the line will be different. Then the equation of y-axis, that is this equation of, sorry, equation parallel to y-axis is x equal to a. That means this line, it is x equal to a. Or any line you can draw like this. This is also parallel, this is also parallel, this is also parallel. All will be x equal to a. I think up to this you have understood. Now let us do this one. No, I am recording this. You remove that drawing. So this equation parallel to x-axis, this equation parallel to y-axis. Now for parallel line, this let's say this is one parallel line and this is another line. These two lines are parallel. Then for parallel line, m1 equal to m2. m1 means the slope of this line and m2 means the slope of this line. This line will be parallel when if m1 equal to m2, or if parallel then m1 equal to m2. Both are correct. And for perpendicular lines, that means if two lines are perpendicular, that means this is one line and this is another line. See, these two lines are perpendicular to each other. Then if the slope of this line is m1 and the slope of this line is m2, then m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Now matter is that what is m and what is m1 and what is m2. This one you have learnt in class 9. This m1, how to find y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. What is x1 y1 and x2 y2? Let's say two points are there. This is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. This is x1 comma y1 and this is x2 comma y2. So if you join these 2 points, then their slope you can get with this formula. This is the formula, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to tan theta. Also you can do. Now tan theta means, let's say this is the coordinate axis and this is our required line. Then this angle will be theta. This angle will be theta. You have to memorize this thing. So if theta given, then also we can calculate the slope. Put theta, if it is 45 degree, then put here 45 degree, tan 45 1. So slope m equal to 1 you will get. Similarly, if 2 points are given, then also put in this formula, you will get the slope. Now matter is that if you get the slope, then you can find intercept from this line. Just put the value of m and put the value of c, you will get slope intercept form. One straight line's equation, that is slope intercept form. Here the diagram is drawn. In this diagram you see that here this is coordinate axis, x axis, y axis, and this is our required line. Here this theta given, so easily we can get it. M we can easily get, and this is C, this length, this distance is C. That means from origin up to where the line cut y axis, that length is called C. So if C given and M given, we have to take this straight line. So it is equal to memorize. After taking this straight line, we will put the value of M and C, then we will get the equation slope intercept form. So this kind of equation we will get. Then if intercepts form, how it is? See, this is intercept. That means this is x-intercept A and this is y-intercept B. Then equation will be x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. That if A given, B given, we will put here and we will get the equation of the straight line. One extra information here I am giving you. The intersecting point, this will be A. Since this is A, so this intersecting point will be A comma 0. This intersection is B, so this point will be 0 comma B. You have to memorize this thing. If you write equation in the intercepts form, so under x will be x-intercept and under B will be y-intercept. So x-intercept is which one? This is the x-intercept and this is the y-intercept. Similarly, in this diagram, this is x-intercept, this is y-intercept. So x-intercept means the distance is cut by the straight line in the x-axis, and y-intercept the distance cut by the line in the y-axis. So this is y-intercept. Next I will tell you that point slope form. One point given x1, y1 and slope, that is this theta given. So easily we will get m equal to tan theta formula. Then the formula will be y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Here x1, y1 the point given, so we can put here, and the slope also given, we can put here. After putting, if we calculate, then we will get point slope form. I mean the equation of straight line. If it is point slope form, then from here. Now the last one is 2 points form. The equation is like this. Here one point given here, another point here. This is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. That means this value will be given. Let's say this is 2, 3 and this is minus 1, minus 2. So x1, y1 and x2, y2 given. So in this formula, you put the value y1, y1, y2, x1, x1, x2 you put, then you will get this 2 points form. So to get the equation, you have to know the formula that 2 points form is y minus y1 by 1 minus y2 is equal to x minus x1 by x1 minus x2. This is 2 points form. So all these what I told here, all these formula you have to learn, so that after that you can solve the sums from this exercise. That's all for this video. Do you understand it?